Italy was very famous during past month. One reason is the Sinhala song, Man Italy Thanawuna. The other reason is COVID-19. But today we are going to speak about the concrete the Rome used during the past time.
The Roman Empire crumbled more than 1,000 years ago, but the concrete structures still stand wonder. These structures have lived long even in the salty environment of the sea. Compared to the modern-day concrete structures, Roman structures have a better life. What makes Roman structures stronger over years? Even in the huge salty environments, for a longer time period, these huge structures still exist in good condition. When we compare the lifetime of present concrete with the concrete existed on Roman Empire time, they had a good strength and good qualities. What is the reason for these Roman concrete to exist this much longer time period?
Today, most of the modern concrete comprises Portland cement. The Portland cement is made of shells, limestone and chalk which are combined with the particles of shale, clay, sand, iron ore and other ingredients. These ingredients are mixed, heated and ground into a fine powder. On the contrary, the Romans' concrete is made by mixing volcanic ash with lime and seawater with the chunks of volcanic rock. The mineralogist states, the use of seawater is the main reason for their concrete's long life. The reason is any chemical reaction in the Portland cement concrete makes the concrete to expand and leads to the formation of cracks on it. However, the chemical reactions occurs due to seawater in the Roman concrete, actually strengthen the material. Over the years, the seawater dissolves the volcanic ash available in the concrete. The new minerals like altobermarite and philipsite grows over the concrete. These minerals form as crystals in the interlocking plate shape, which protect the concrete from cracking in the future. This is the reason the Roman buildings still stand strong. If you have problems or questions regarding building design or building construction methods, please write them in below comment lines. We will answer them accordingly as soon as possible for you. Thank you.